Dive into the ultimate guide to protect your trading account, where we unveil the secret to crafting an unbreakable password that not only enhances your security, but also ensures seamless access to your trading world. In this exclusive tutorial, we are not just resetting passwords, we are building digital fortresses around your investments. Join us as we guide you through the simple steps to revamp your account's defense mechanism, ensuring that your journey with FundedNext is not only profitable, but also protected against any digital threat. Subscribe to the FundedNext YouTube channel now and trade with the confidence of ironclad security. Simply select your trading account from the Active Accounts tab under Accounts tab and click on Dashboard. You'll be shown several boxes where the login credentials will be available. Under the account details section in the middle, you'll be able to see the login, master password, investor password, and MT4 MT5 server. You have to click on Reset on the master password box and create a password yourself following the instructions provided above the boxes, where you will set your password. Please make sure that the length of the password is 9 characters, the first 3 characters are lowercase letters, the next 2 characters are uppercase letters, the next 2 characters are digits, it is not 1 to 99, it's 10 to 99, the last 2 characters are @ and hashtag symbols. You have your new password. Now type in the similar password that you have created in the Confirm Password box and click Save Password. You'll see a pop-up which says that your password has been sent to your registered email. Now go and check your registered email and voila! The new password, along with the other login details, will be sent to your registered email. Subscribe to the FundedNext YouTube channel and trade with peace of mind. Stay secure, stay ahead.